Hello and welcome. In today's video, I'll show you how to set up and use live wallpaper on your Android phone so your home screen or lock screen looks dynamic and animated. Start by unlocking your phone and going to Settings. From there, scroll down and tap Wallpaper and Style. On some devices, it might just say Display or Wallpaper. Then select Change Wallpaper. You'll usually see separate tabs for My Wallpapers, Gallery, and Live Wallpapers. Next, tap on Live Wallpapers to browse the animated options available on your phone. Some devices come with pre-installed live wallpapers, but you can also download more from the Google Play Store. Just search for Live Wallpaper and install the one you like. Once installed, it will appear in your live wallpapers list. When you find one you want, tap on it to see a preview. You can then choose whether to set it for your home screen, lock screen, or both. Once you confirm, your phone will apply it instantly. Keep in mind that live wallpapers may use more battery than static images, especially if they're highly animated or interactive. Settings may also vary depending on the device. And that's how you use live wallpaper on Android. Thanks for watching.